Big head ass nigga.
I'm just type, everything they gotta do with greatness. Put me right there, type great, type legendary, type historical. Man, the God. I'm type that nigga. I'm type that nigga. I'm type that nigga. Yeah, I'm type this shit. You type ain't shit. I told you this. Yeah, I'm type really rich. You type really broke. And type really broke. Damn, I'm type really that.
YouTube up, man. It's your boy Young Rich 419 back with another video. Today, we about to go ahead and bust down this Durango right quick. Looking real filthy. Filthy. Seriously though, man. About to go bust this down right quick. Right now I'm in the kitchen, man. Early morning. Looking for something to smash on. When I get back, clean this Durango. Even though it's about to sit anyway. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and check this out right quick, man. Durango, big dog. Big dog. Check this out right quick, man. Yeah. Yeah. Looking filthy. Looking like this mug been sitting at COPART. Look at that. Yeah, drove it in the rain, man. After that last snowfall, and then rain right after that last snowfall for like 2 or 3 days straight. You know, since it's raining, ain't no salt in the road. We're gonna dry this mug. You feel me, man? Yeah, it's looking oh so filthy. You see the lines, man. You see that? Ugh. I'm gonna have to really bust this down before I leave, for real. Head to the car wash, man. But yeah, man, I know y'all want that. Hold on, before I even do that, gonna get the cold start to that. But you know, we got the coupe out. Yeah, got the big coupe, big Rivy coupe, man. Yeah, looking oh so lovely. It's like misting right now, man. Wipe this motherfucker down, know what I'm saying, before I go ahead put this back in the garage, man. Got my little corner lights on. Sometimes I be forgetting to turn them motherfuckers off sometimes. I'm gonna turn them off right quick, man. But yeah, man. Hope y'all new subscribers, man. I appreciate y'all coming through. Guess what, man? We are at over 1,000 subscribers, man. Gotta appreciate it, y'all, man. For real, man, for coming through, hitting that subscribe button. Cause you know it don't even cost y'all no money at all to do that. You know what I mean? All it takes is a second or two for you to just tap the phone or tap your TV remote, Amazon TV remote, or if you're on the internet, just click on the subscribe button, man. And so y'all come check my YouTube vids out, man. See what I got going on, man. Also, if you've been noticing, let me turn this up. Also, if you notice, I changed my name, man, to Life of Young Rich 419, man. So, Life of Young Rich 419. Yeah, I think that's what it is, you know what I'm saying? I changed the name to give it a little bit more flavor to it. And then, you know, so it's more intriguing, you feel me, to see what the hell going on this guy's page, man. So, y'all new subscribers, man, we at 1,000 plus, like 1,100 something right now, man. Right now, as of January 5th, 4th, 5th, something like that, man. I don't even know for real. I should put this in the garage right now while I'm thinking about it, man. But yeah, good luck for coming through, man, for y'all subscribers, man. I appreciate it, man. Y'all, you made it, man. And I've been doing YouTube full time. When I say full time, I just try to drop a video every week, at least. You know what I'm saying? But I've been doing YouTube full time since September of 2021. So we got a good year and 3 months, man. 4 months in, man. So like I said, January 2023 right now. January 5th, I think it is right now, man. So been rocking this full time, man. So I went from like 280, 290 something subscribers when I first dropped my first video of me starting my YouTube journey, man. So after a year and 3 months, man, we got 1,100 subscribers, man. I appreciate it, man. We almost there with the watch time too, man. Still got like a 200 or 300 more watch time hours to make it to to get monetized, man. So need y'all to watch the videos, run through them, man. If you just let it play in the background, I really appreciate it, man. Hit the like button, man, because, man, I'm trying to give y'all content, something that a lot of people don't like to show or don't show. It's more detailed stuff, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, about to put this in the garage right now, matter of fact. Cause if I leave and come back, there's gonna be more water on this car. Now, I really don't want to clean this off for real, you know what I'm saying? It's just real. So let me go ahead and I don't think I got all my keys with me. Yeah, I do got all my keys, man. Go ahead and open this mug up right quick, man. But yeah, but look at that. The filth. We're gonna get a cold start on that too, man. So when I get back in the car, man, I'm gonna let y'all hear this cold start of the big dog. Alright, YouTube, I just got done wiping this mug down right quick, man. Also sprayed the wheels on the Durango, man. So you know that got heavy brake dust on that motherfucker, man. See y'all to start up on the supercharged Riviera, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Running smooth. No jumping. Yeah, man. But yeah, man, like I said, man, I straight appreciate y'all subscribing, man. Cause you know what I'm saying? Ooh, look at that hit. Look at that Magnum hit up under them lights, man. Still ain't clean that mug yet. Oh, my nigga Icewear. Yeah. But anyway, my nigga Icewear. Listen to that nigga a lot, man. But yeah, look at that Magnum hit. For sure, man. But yeah, I still ain't cleaned that mug yet. I thought about cleaning it today. Lazy, don't want to. Fuck it. Let it sit and just be a little tad bit dirty. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, if y'all haven't checked my old videos out, man, check that out. Check it out. Appreciate it, man. If y'all do it, man. Check them out, man. Might be some things in there that y'all appreciate. Yeah, man. You feel me? But you better go ahead and get this cold start in this Durango, and then we gonna peel up out of here, man. All right, we back, y'all. Know what I mean? Got the Riviera hooked up to trickle charger, tripping. You know what I mean? I ain't even started to mat him up probably about 2 or 3 weeks. Yeah, man. But look at that, man. See, on camera, man. On camera right now, you can't get the full effect of this right now, man. Man, anyway, that bitch wet. That bitch wet. That motherfucker wet. Yeah, man. Sprayed the wheels down. Y'all get before we bounce out though. Ugh. Yeah. But spray the wheels down, get the brake dust off this motherfucker though, man. I'm tripping. But about to go ahead and see this Durango. But yeah, the Durango got the wheels cleaned up, man. About to go ahead and get this cold start for y'all, man. Where y'all want it, from the front, the back? Want it up here? Just gonna go back here right quick. Sound like a raped cat, man. You know, I just woke my neighbor up, you feel me? Just woke her up. Just woke her up. Yeah, I still need to get that LED light fixed. Lazy. Oh yeah, if y'all wanna know the holla at, there it go right there. You feel me? But let this warm up right quick. See where we at. 42,000 miles. Oh yeah. been 2 years too, man. 2 years for Durango just passed, man. Bought it like a week, like 4 or 5 days before January 1st of 2020. No, 20, it's 2020? 20. Yeah, so 2020, January 20, no, my bad, December 2020, like December 27th or 8th, something like that, man. Bought the Durango for 2020. So it's been officially full of 2 years, and it had 6,000 miles on it when we bought it. Now I've got 42, so 36, 46. Got low miles, man, for 2 years, man. So we only been putting on oil average about, let me see, for 2 years, yeah, bought at 26, so 36, 7, 8, 9, 40, 41, 42, so 16,000 miles. If my math is correct, in 2 years, it's pretty good, man. It's pretty damn good, man. Oh, I was looking for this, man. Looking for my face mask, man. You know what I mean? My wind blocker, man. Yeah, we're gonna head to this car wash, man. Get the mud cleaned up, just so it can sit right back in the driveway. All right, man, we on the road, man. Sliding. Hear this motherfucker, man. Yeah, you hear this motherfucker, man. You hear this motherfucker, man. Yeah, man. Got it out. About to slide to this car wash, run through this mug right quick, man. And you know how that's about to go. Yeah, man, we here. Car wash. Yeah, man, we goes through automatic. Factory paint. We rolling through automatic, man. All day. But yeah, man, like I said, I appreciate the nuisance, man. For real, because that took some time. You know what I mean? Time. When they say YouTube is a grind, it's a real live grind, man. Because sometimes you don't want to do it. Sometimes you don't. You know what I mean? Like sometimes I'll knock like 3 videos out. Then after that, I may not shoot another video for like a week, 2, 3 weeks, man. So, but yeah, it's a hard grind, man. Like I said, man, you gotta be really consistent with this. Because if you're not, man, the algorithm, and people who really don't understand algorithm, you really gotta be in with the mix, the flow, man. Because if you mess, I can mess up the algorithm. Like I know I messed up my algorithm. Because I used to post weekly, full videos. You know what I'm saying? Now I've been going like a week, skip a week, then another video. Then I skipped 2 weeks, or 3 weeks, and then I did 2 videos back to back, one day after another. So like, man, just mess up the algorithm for YouTube, man, and my content. So it's hard trying to figure it out, man. But yeah, man, running through this car wash right now, getting this mug juiced up, cleaned up, so it can sit right back in the driveway. But pretty loud. So I'm gonna end this video. Young Rich 419, y'all like, y'all share, y'all subscribe, man. Tell your friends about it, man. Life of Young Rich, man. Gonna be more different kind of content too. I'm about to do, man. So more just like day-to-day stuff. Just so, you know what I'm saying, I can get the videos flowing, man, so I can get on that algorithm, man, in my favor. All right, man. Peace, man. Young Rich, man. See y'all.
3 of them. God.
You big head ass nigga.
The realest ever made. Just stand on the edge of the Grand Canyon like, I just want to feel this up with money. Yeah. See my wrist on freeze, yeah. See my wrist on freeze, yeah. See my neck on freeze, yeah. See my neck on freeze, yeah. You ain't getting none of these, though. You ain't getting none of these, yeah. Pocket filled with G's, yeah.